We want to be liked by someone, they don't like us, and if someone likes us, we don't like them. So never worry about those people who are not liking you, worry about those people who are liking you. Now I would like to tell you a small story. In this story, what happens is a person will always feel sad for those people who are criticizing him, who are saying words to him, who are not liking him. Then a teacher will come to him and try to explain him life is not meant to be sad, life is meant to be happy and live happily. Then the teacher will come to him and tell him that paint something and come to me. Then the student will paint something beautiful and come to the teacher. Then the teacher will tell him that take this painting, put it on a road. Then the teacher will ask him to write below the painting, if something is wrong in this painting, please mark a cross mark with red ink there. Then the people traveling there will come to the painting and they'll mark so many cross marks wherever something is wrong. Then the student will go to the teacher feeling so sad. The student will tell the teacher that I have committed so many mistakes, I have committed wrong in so many places. That is the reason people always criticize me. They are not wrong, maybe I am wrong, is what the student says to the teacher. Then the teacher will ask him to again paint the painting. Student will again paint the painting, and the next day when the student brings the painting to the teacher will ask the student, take this painting again, put it on the road and write below that if something is wrong here, please correct it. Then the student writes there, if something is wrong here, please correct it. The people passing by will look at the painting, will not correct it, and they'll go and do their work. Then the student will come to the teacher with the painting. He'll feel so happy. Maybe this time I have done it right, teacher. That is the reason nobody corrected it. He'll feel so happy for that. Then the teacher will tell the student that you have done exactly same the first time and second time. Both the paintings are same. The first time whenever you ask the people to recognize your mistakes, they recognized your mistakes and marked there. But the second time whenever you ask them to correct your mistakes, nobody corrected your mistakes. That means in life also, people always try to identify your mistakes, but no person in this world will try to correct your mistakes. That is the nature of the people. They'll always try to identify the mistakes and criticize you. They are nowhere here to help you in correcting your mistakes. That is the reason don't care about the people. They have their own life, you have your own life. Only concentrate on your life, then only you'll achieve what you want in your life. Here the story ends. There is an amazing moral in the story. The moral of the story is, in our life also, people come to us, they'll try to identify our mistakes. They say us that this is wrong, this is right, but nobody tries to help us out in correcting those mistakes. So there are useless people in this society who will always try to criticize us. So we should not care about those people. We should care about only those people who are beside us, like good teachers and good family, good friends who are trying to correct our mistakes, helping us in correcting our mistake. Just identifying the mistakes will not help us. Correcting our mistakes will definitely help us. So those people should always be with us. So instead of having 100 useless friends, have one good friend who will try to correct your mistakes, help you in becoming a better person, having a bright future. Instead of having hundreds or thousands of useless friends, one good friend will change your life. If you have such a friend in your life, never leave his hand. So such kind of people very rarely we find. Never ever try to break the relation with that one friend, because he'll make your life more wonderful. He'll give you a reason to live your life more happily. From this story also we need to learn one thing, that is, we want to be liked by everyone, but everyone will never like us. If we have to be liked by everyone, we should be like Taj Mahal, we should be like Eiffel Tower, we should be a beautiful mountain, we should be a beautiful river, we should be a sky, we should be a cloud, we should be a moon, we should be a sun. Unless and until we are human being, we are not liked by each and every person. If we have to be liked by each and every person, we have to be a god. Sometimes God is also not liked by each and every person. Even Krishna, Lord Krishna was not liked by his mama. So God is also not liked by everyone. We are humans, so we will definitely be not liked by everyone. So don't worry about that so much. And in life also, if you have to be liked by each and every person, that is impossible. I have read a quotation, wonderful quotation. Don't try to be friend to all. If you try to be friend to all, you'll be friend to none. If you want to impress each and everyone, no one, even a single person will not get impressed by you. So try to be yourself. If you are trying to be yourself also, you'll impress so many people. So just to be yourself. Each one of us are unique. Don't try to imitate anyone, don't get influenced by anyone, just try to be yourself, then also you'll be loved by many people. So that is most important in life. The other thing is, someone says something to you, that doesn't mean that you are a useless person. You will definitely do miracles in life. Never listen to this society, never listen to any other person. Lead your life in your own way. Don't care about the other people. If you are not liked by someone also, that shouldn't matter to you. You should be yourself, stand on your point, stand on your goal, then only you'll reach the top of the mountain. That's it from my side. My name is Vamshi Krishna Reddy. I'll come up with another story very soon. Thank you so much. Bye bye.